Arizona is starting to reopen, and as we mentioned earlier, gyms, pools, restaurants have all been given the green light now. So now hospitals are loosening their coronavirus restrictions. So Team 12's Matt Yurus joins us live this morning with new policy changes at Abrazo Hospital. So Matt, what do visitors need to know?
Good morning, guys. This is good news for at least some patients, as Abrazo hospitals are loosening their COVID-19 visitor restrictions, meaning some patients can now get visitors. Specifically here, we got the new rules. One visitor can go with patients getting a scheduled elective procedure, and one visitor will be allowed for patients in the emergency room. This comes as the hospital has also implemented designated waiting areas that allow physical distancing for visitors. Abrazo has also added new cleaning protocols. Visitors will be screened for fever, respiratory symptoms, and asked if they've recently traveled to high-risk locations before entering the hospital. Visitors will also be required to wear visitor identification, a face mask, and sanitize their hands. Any visitor that does not meet screening criteria cannot enter. This latest move is to help give patients peace of mind. We all know it can be difficult to be in the hospital alone. One last note here, Abrazo Hospital says it was one of the first to put these visitor restrictions in place due to the coronavirus outbreak. Live in Phoenix, Matt Yurus, Today in AZ.